Okay, you claim the CTO, but it didn't reflect on your MetaMask. So what do you do? First and foremost, let's go and read what they said on their X account. So they say CTO claim issue. We've spotted a few common issues, so let's break it down. After our devs worked long hours with zero coffee breaks, you are not CTO, you did not submit the address successfully to. So make sure that you submitted the your wallet address successfully on Satoshi app. And then if you're 100% sure the address was submitted successfully, there was a glitch with the address formatting, which we have patched for. So try again. So if you know that you submitted successfully and you know you didn't get your this thing, go and try submitting your address again. Then not seeing CTO in your wallet, you have not signed a message with your wallet to submit the claim. If you have not added the token address to your wallet, so that means you need to add the contract address to your wallet and then paid 0.1 donation but no CTO. Add the token address above. The transaction is being bashed. Wait for 10 minutes and check again. Can't connect wallet. Switch to co-mainnet in MetaMask. Temporarily disable other wallet extensions. And between, stay tuned. We've got some exciting things brewing for City. Okay, so now, what we need to do here. If you know that you've submitted all the necessary things on Satoshi app and you've claimed, but you're not seeing it on your wallet, let's go and submit this contract address. Okay, so if you don't have this contract address, check the description or the comment section. All right, so all you need to do is just copy the contract address. All right, and then let's go to MetaMask. Make sure that your MetaMask is on okay, so make sure that your MetaMask is on core blockchain. All right, so if it is not on core blockchain, I've made a video on how to add core to your MetaMask. So just check my previous video and you will see it. So click on this. If it is not on core blockchain, just click on this place and then you will see core blockchain here. All right, so select it and okay, if it is not here, they need to click on add network and follow the instruction in my previous video to add core blockchain to MetaMask. And then after that, we'll have to import the token, CTO token. So tap on import tokens here and then we'll paste the contract address we copied. Okay, and then next. Okay, so you can see CTO here, imports. Okay, so for this quarter due to reflect here, we need to fund our wallet, our core wallet. All right, so you need to send, even if it's one call to this wallet, and then we'll proceed with the next step. So let's go. All right, so now that we have funded our core wallet, so this is how to claim your CTO on MetaMask. So you go to this browser session, all right, and search for okay, let it open first. Okay, you see, search for airdrop. You see this place, search for airdrop.contact.io, but as you can see here, it's not opening. Let's check it again. See what is writing. Something went wrong. All right, uh what do? We have to use Bitgate for this. So let's switch to Bitgate. All you need to do is just import this same wallet address. Import this same wallet, your MetaMask wallet. Import it to to Bitgate. How do you import? Go to settings, all right, and you will see security and privacy. Under it, you will see privacy setting, meta metrics, private key, and wallet secret recovery phrase. All right, so tap on it, and then you will see the option to review your secret recovery phase. So once you tap on it and it is reviewed, copy the phrase, then go to Bitget wallet, not Bitget exchange, Bitget wallet. All right, so go to your Bitget and then tap on this my wallet icon above, and then you will see the option to add a wallet. Tap on add a wallet, and then you will see the import a wallet option. All right, so tap on that and then unlock, after which paste the phrase you copied and confirm. All right, so once you do that, your MetaMask wallet will be added here, and you'll be able to see the same core you had on your MetaMask. You go to this wallet, you still see it here. All right, so you can see the same core we have on MetaMask is here. So that is it. Now, how to claim the CTO? How to claim? Just go to this discover option below, tap on discover, and search for airdrop.cortad.io and tap on visit link. All right, okay, you are visiting a third party. Please be mindful of your asset security and all blah blah blah. Okay, enter. All right, so you can see it has opened, so let's wait it out. You see the option to connect wallet here, so tap on connect wallet. The page, so switch to core chain, okay, and then tap on connect wallet. So you see the option click here to claim, so tap on click here to claim, and then sign your signature. Tap on signature and unlock. I'm a human. Okay, so you need to please click each image containing an animal jumping or flying. All right, so next, jumping or flying animal, verify. All right, so after doing that, let's see how it goes. Tap on get CTO. All right, so you see the detail, and the gas fee is 0.00063. So confirm and unlock. Okay, thank you CTO to the moon airdrop in wallet rich guy and all that. So after doing this, we'll have to wait it out. We have to go back and check if it has reflected. All right, okay, so after doing that, we'll have to go back to wallet. All right, so when you go back to wallet, tap on wallet, and as you can see, our CTO has reflected. So that is how to claim your CTO on MetaMask. Remember, they may not give you everything at once, but gradually you will be receiving them. So that is it. Thank you.